Hi everybody, I'm Jessica, Marketing Assistant here at Swinomish Casino and Lodge, and I'll be your host for this week's SwinTV. Next week is your last chance to play your way up the leaderboard in our Swin Olympics because it ends on March 4th. It's not too late to participate, so make sure you sign up for the Players Club to start competing today. With this promotion and the Winter Olympics underway, we set up our own Olympics for our team members. Representatives from different departments at the casino competed in office-related athletics to win a medal for their team. To find out how the first round of competition went, I sat down with one of our competitors. Let's take a look. We have the champion for our first round of the Olympics with us here today, Kati from HR. Kati, tell us a little bit about what you do here.
Well, I'm a recent hire, have been here for about 3 months now. Yay! And I'm the Human Resources Assistant here.
All right, so our first competition was the chair racing, and Kati won the gold. So how did that feel?
It felt awesome. I think just having fun really just showed through me and really gave me that adrenaline to push for the win.
It looked like you were barefoot when you were competing. Did that help you out at all?
I would definitely say it did. I'm a very competitive person and I don't like anything to hinder my performance. So I think going barefoot was the right call. It gave me the gold.
That's smart. What does this win mean for HR?
I think it just really shows our versatility. We like to have fun. We like to try new things and compete and show that we are more than just paper pushers. We're apparently very good chair pushers as well.
Thanks, Kati. Good luck to you and everyone else in the rest of the events. And for all of our viewers out there, don't forget to come in for Swin Olympics for your chance to win up to $1,500. Looking for something tasty this February? Then stop by the sports bar for our burger of the month, the Chipotle Burger. A half-pound patty is flame grilled to perfection under a layer of white cheddar cheese. This burger is piled high with caramelized onions, grilled jalapenos, and candied bacon in a Chipotle barbecue sauce. Experience a burst of flavor in every bite. Get it now at the sports bar, only in February. Also new on the gaming floor is one of our recently added slot machines, Yardbirds 2, Foxy's Revenge. Check it out.
Yardbirds 2, Foxy's Revenge. When 3 free spin symbols land scattered on reels 3, 4, and 5, the Foxy free spin bonus is triggered, initially awarding you 7 free spins plus 2 times trigger pay. Up to 28 free spins are possible on Yardbirds 2. The gaming excitement continues during the chicken and egg bonus, triggered when 3 bonus symbols land scattered on reels 1, 3, and 5. You must pick 2 eggs to reveal a credit award, a chicken, or an energy boost that gives players additional picks. After all picks are made, Foxy appears to reveal the rewards. Even more huge winnings are possible thanks to the game's Mystery Wild and Chance multipliers. You will be thrilled when Foxy pops up randomly on the screen during the Foxy upgrade, turning 4 to 6 symbols into Fox symbols to create winning pay lines. Yardbirds 2, Foxy's Revenge will delight anyone looking for a fun-filled gaming experience.
Before we go, let's head to Greg for our weekly renovation update.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Greg Douglas coming at you again with another update for SwinTV and our renovation project here. We've had a lot of stuff going on here this last week. Our mechanical guys were coming down the home stretch, getting all of our new mechanical units running. We're standing over here right now, and I don't know if you can see the wind blowing in here, but it's pretty breezy with this stuff, but it's going to be real nice. Going to make the environment here within the casino better than anything you guys have ever experienced here at Swinomish, and we're really excited about it. Additionally, ceilings going in, lights are going in for this new renovation space. We've got wall coverings getting ready to go up here this week, and then the next step is going to be getting carpet installed so we can start moving in here. Our date of move-in is around March 5th. We'll start populating the floor with machines, and as we've been doing with the rest of the project, we'll move across the floor and open spaces as they come available. So be patient. We're coming down the home stretch here just a little bit longer, and we'll be ready to go with a brand new, exciting facility for you here. Have a great week.
Thanks, Greg. That wraps up this week's SwinTV. Make sure you tune in for next week's episode on Friday.